Have you ever wondered how computer programs are created? Or perhaps you're intrigued by the magic behind your favorite video game or mobile app? Well, today, the mystery unravels. Welcome to the fascinating world of C programming. Imagine you're an artist with a blank canvas. Now, instead of paint, you're using code. And the canvas? That's a computer. The first brushstroke in this art form often starts with a simple Hello World program. Output. C programming is like a set of building blocks. It starts with the basics, like any other language. You'll need to learn the alphabet before you can start forming words and sentences. In C, these basics are known as variables and data types. Variables are the backbone of any programming language. They are like containers that store data. In C programming, you might have a variable X that stores the number 5, or a variable name that stores John. Data types, on the other hand, define the type of data that a variable can store. C has several data types, including integers, floating point numbers, and characters. Now, onto the heart of C programming, the syntax. Syntax are the rules that dictate how programs written in a language must be structured. Think of it as the grammar of C programming. Here's an example of C syntax in action. To print Hello World on the screen, you would use the printf function like this: printf Hello World. The semicolon at the end signifies the end of the statement, much like a period in a sentence. Now, you might be wondering, how do all these elements come together to form a program? That's where control structures come in. Control structures, such as loops and conditional statements, dictate the flow of a program. For example, a for loop enables repetition of certain parts of your code, while an if statement allows your code to make decisions. Output. Finally, once you've written your code, it's time to compile and run it. This is the process that turns your code into a language that your computer understands. In summary, C programming is a journey that starts with understanding variables and data types, progresses through mastering the syntax and control structures, and culminates with the compilation and execution of your code. If this seems complex, don't worry. Like any new skill, it takes time and practice to master. Just remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, if you've ever dreamed of creating your own computer program, or simply want to understand the magic behind your favorite apps and games, why not take the first step and dive into the world of C programming today? Thank you for joining us on this journey into C programming. Until next time, keep exploring, keep coding, and keep creating.